Bench testing the 1959-1960 Cadillac power antenna. Serial number PA32220. Demonstration of a 1959-1960 Cadillac power antenna. This antenna has been completely disassembled. A new mast has been installed, and this is the first bench test for the unit. Using a 12-volt power supply connected to a set of toggle switches that's going to power up the antenna. We have installed new wiring on the up and down circuit, and also external ground. It grounds the brush holder. Demonstrate the clutch mechanism. We've left the side cover off of the antenna. You can see the action of the working of the clutch. Going to cycle the switch to raise the antenna. New telescoping stainless steel wick. And that is the sound of the clutch slipping. It's working good. Now we're going to down cycle. Down cycle. Up. And down. Okay, now the next test is going to be for continuity from the connection to the radio to the antenna chassis, and then from the connection to the radio to the antenna. Using a digital volt ohm meter for this test, we connected the ground to the chassis of the antenna, and when we touch the ground of the meter, we get a signal which tells me we have continuity. Should be no continuity to the antenna connection or to the antenna, only to the body. We have tone. Now switching the connection to the antenna, this would be the lead that goes to the radio. This should be insulated from the body, but we should have a continuity to the antenna. Now what we're going to do next test, we're going to raise the antenna, and we're going to make the same continuity test to show that when it's extended, there is continuity. We now have extended the antenna, and we're going to do the test on the segments of the telescoping antenna for continuity. So that shows that we have continuity to the antenna lead. I'm going to actuate the antenna on the down mode so you can see the clutch working. That's when the clutch slips, is when the antenna is all in the down position, so it doesn't stall the motor. But to raise the antenna, it'll lift the antenna straight up, and then it'll ratchet when it reaches maximum extension. Okay, look a little bit so you can see that. And we'll go ahead and put that end cap on, seal it up, and this is a complete job.